Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at wall control metal pegboard. I'm just getting started rearranging my basement workshop area, and the first thing I'm going to do is put up some pegboard. So this is the galvanized color. It comes in a wide variety of colors. It's 16 inches wide by 32 inches long. You can get them in a larger size, but this should get me started. And it comes with the instructions and some mounting hardware. And I'm not even sure where I'm going to put it. Oh, and that's the box that it comes in back there. I might put it on that back wall, or I might put it on this wall over here. I'm not really sure. But once I decide where I'm going to put it, I'm going to open one of the packages, put it up on the wall, and let you know how I made out. So we'll be back again shortly. Okay, this is going to knock the video out of sequence, but I bought two more panels in black, and I don't want to do a separate video for that, so I'm just going to show you what they look like. Now those two panels back there are the original galvanized ones. The one on the left has been spray painted. I just used primer and a matte black, and I don't know how well it's going to hold up though. We'll have to wait and see. Now this is the new wall control in the black powder coated. It's a little shiny, but not as bad as the galvanized. I'm making pretty good headway getting the workshop area cleaned up, and those two new pegboards are going to go in between the shelves there. So anyway, that's it. Now we're going to resume the regular video. Okay, the installation was pretty straightforward. That plywood is attached to solid wood, so all I did was draw a level line, held up the pegboard, marked the screw holes, drilled a pilot hole, and then used the screws that were included. So the instructions are pretty good. They cover attaching it to wood as well as to sheetrock, but they don't go into attaching it to concrete, so you'll have to look into that separately. Now I'm using pegboard hooks, so it didn't matter for me which way I installed it, but if you're using the wall control slotted brackets and shelving, when you order your panels, you're going to want to make sure that the slots are in a vertical position. You can't, the brackets won't work if you install them as they are there in a horizontal position. Again, for me it didn't matter because I'm using peg hooks. So it's made in America. I got a 2-pack on Amazon for $30, and about the only thing I'm not crazy about is how shiny the galvanized color is that you see there. I did want black, but all of the colors were an additional $10, so now that it's here, I wish I would have spent the extra money, but I suppose I can always spray paint them if it drives me crazy. So I can't think of too much all else. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.